Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White. Today we're doing lesson 22 and it's going to look like this on your worksheet. So make sure that you have that out. First we're going to say the alphabet together. Again, I'm outside, it's a little windy out here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, great job. Next, we're going to get our worksheet out and we are going to write down some letters for the sound that I give you. Okay? On number 1 is the K sound, and that is K. Number 2 is G. G. That's G. Number 3, we have I. I. So write down the I. Number 4, we have A. That's A. Let's write down our A. Number 5 is D. 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 And D. Number 6 we're going to bring up here is That's R. Write down R. Number 7 is F. F. Number 8 is A. That's A. Write it down. Number 9 is Z. And we've learned Z as 2 sounds, right? Or 2 letters. It could be Z or S. Number 10 is H. H. Go ahead and make sure you have those down for numbers 1 through 10. I'm going to erase it, so pause if you need to. Next, we're going to practice spelling a couple of words. Let's spell skip on number 11. Oopsies. Skip. So it's k, I, skip. It just got really windy out here. Number 2 is skin. Sk, I, n. Sk, I, n. Sk, I, n. Skin. All right. Go ahead and make sure you have those written down. We're going to talk about our new letter today. Our new letter today also makes the K sound. I'm going to write, oh boy, hold on. Miss White just lost all her papers. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All my papers flew away. All right. Next, let's look at these words. I'm going to erase this. We have cat, can, and cot. What new letter do we see here that's making that K sound at the beginning? It's a C. So a C can make the K sound at the beginning of a word. When we use the C like this, when we're coding it, when we're practicing our coding, we're going to put this little line behind the C. Oops. Hold on. We're going to put this little line behind the C like that. And then what does that C kind of look like? It kind of looks like an A. So that's going to help us remember that it makes that k sound when we're coding. Okay? Let's practice writing a couple C's. Our capital C and lowercase c look exactly the same. I'm going to round at a little before the top, round up to the top, around, and then round on the bottom too. And our lowercase c is going to look the same, but we're going to start just a little bit below the dotted line and go and curve just on the bottom line again there, like that. All right, practice writing a couple C's for me. And then we're going to talk about our picture card for C that maybe I lost when all my other stuff blew away. There it is. All right. My picture card for C is an animal that a lot of people have in their house. Some people are allergic to them. That's why they're not in my house. But they're small, smaller than a dog, and fluffy and furry. It is a cat. So when we see the picture card, we'll say cat, k, and that's how we'll remember. Okay? Next, let's spell a couple of words with C. The first word we're going to spell is can. And that's on number 13. Now, when we say k, it's either going to be K or C. Could be either way that we make the k sound. So on number 13, if you can write K, comma, C. And that's the different ways that we can make the k sound. All right. On number 14, we'll just move on and I'll leave that there for now. Number 14, we're going to spell can. K, a, n. K, a, n. Now you might be thinking, why is can not spelled with the K? We're going to go over that in the next lesson. We're going to talk about spelling with K and C, and maybe we're going to learn a few rules. But for now, since we're practicing spelling with the K with a C, it's going to be C-A-N. Number 15. Cat. K-at. K-at. Cat. All right, and our last one, number 16, is cost. K-o-s-t. C-O-O-S and T. All right, make sure that you have those written down. I'm going to erase them now, so pause if you need it, and we're going to start coding our words. All right. Number 17 is cap. So with all of our C words like this, we're going to put that line behind the C to show it makes the k sound like a K. And then we have vowel consonant. It gets a brev. Number 18. Clap. Vowel consonant gets the brev, and the C gets the line. Number 9. Oh, and what I forgot to mention about this is we call that a K back. It kind of makes sense. It's a back that goes on your C to make it look like a K back. All right. So I'll start calling it that. I already should have. We have clip next. So vowel consonant gets a brev. Make it look more like a brev. And it gets the K back. Number 20 is crop. We have vowel consonant gets the brev and K back. And number 21 is cross. We can cross out that last S. K back, and vowel consonant gets the brev. All right, I'm going to erase these, pause it if you need it, and then also I want you to draw a line from the word to the picture that matches over on the side. Okay? Let's move on to 22. It's class. We can cross off that last S, and we have vowel consonant, gets the brev, and it gets the K back. 23. Ooh, I lost my place. Glass. Cross off that last S, vowel consonant, gets the brev, and that's not a C, so we don't have to do anything with that G, do we? 24. Skill. Again, we're going to cross off that second I, gets the brev, skill. 25. Drops. We're going to box off that S. Vowel consonant gets a brev. And number 26. So, here we have a vowel with nothing after it, so it gets the macron. Make sure you have all of those written down, and we're going to move on to look at our homework page. Pause if you need to. Right. For our homework, we are going to practice writing some C's. We're going to read the first sentence, and then we're going to, on number 1, you're going to read that. Then on number 2, you're going to answer the question. Okay? Next, we have some blends, and we're going to draw them to the picture that they match, and you're going to read these words down at the bottom. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video.